ABS-CBN Sports proudly presents the Adamson Lady Falcons, the Ateneo Lady Eagles, the De La Salle Lady Spikers, the FEU Lady Camaros, the UP Lady Maroons,
6-5 is the score ng Bacolod.
the UP Lady Warriors,
Nebrida with an off.
the UST Tigresses, the NU Lady Bulldogs. This is the UAAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball Tournament.
It is standing room only inside the arena in San Juan for the final game day of the elimination round of the Women's Volleyball Tournament of Season 75 of the UAAP, brought to you, of course, by ABS-CBN Sports. Welcome to the main event this Sunday afternoon. Two teams with different reasons to fight in this match today. For the Ateneo fans and Ateneo, they're fighting to stay at the number 2 spot in the standings, which holds the last twice-to-beat advantage. For UST, it's a totally different fight for them. A fight to stay at the final 4th spot of the final 4 of Season 75 of the UAAP. Okay.
Even De La Salle and of course Adamson, who just won earlier, Eric.
Alright, let's give you the team standings para maintindihan nyo yung sinasabi naming implications for Adamson, even for NU, currently at 5th in the standings.
Alright, De La Salle really on top of the standings. They are assured of the number 1 spot. But here is where the conflict arises, Eric. Ateneo number 2, Adamson, 9-5, half the game down. USC and NU. If Ateneo wins, they are assured of a second or they will get a playoff against Adamson. Or if they lose, they will get a playoff against Adamson.
If they lose, playoff sila ng Adamson because they will be at 9-5.
That's right. If UST wins though, or they will automatically be the 4th seed at kompleto na yung cast natin for the Final 4. But if they lose, they will have to play a playoff game against NU on Wednesday. So, kahit anong mangyari, kung sino man ang manalo dito sa mga teams na to, we will have a playoff game on Wednesday, either for the 2nd seed or for that number 4 spot in the Final 4.
So that is the importance of today's matchup between... It is loud, definitely, and raucous inside the arena in San Juan. The starting 6, the old reliables for both teams, actually. Both head coaches going for their most solid lineup to start the first set.
Again, Eric,
of Ateneo, Myla Pablo, who's struggles with NU.
They're really watching this one, Eric. Although ngayon hindi niya pinapanood. Ayaw niya makita.
Pablo, of course, didn't see much action yesterday.
You think people will believe us if you said that this is clearly Vargas on your screens, but yung kanina pwede pang hindi maniwala na
21 all.
and the fans are booing our first referee, Mr. Bob Malena, but that happened in front of Bob, so I think he saw that clearly.
Valdez just out. Oh, but 2 line judges, different call. Overruled by the first referee. Binigay ang puntos sa UST naman. Tignan natin. The set was for Valdez. Over to the other side. And the line judge in front of where the ball landed said it was out. The line judge on the other side of the court said it was in. Pero first referee said,
now it's Ateneo's turn to boo the refs.
Wala ka mapapaglagyan kung referee ka, no? Valdez from the other side. The block softened the attack. Ito si Caballejo.
Another good set. High drop there for Judy.
Great defense by UST. Caballejo. Perfect defense by Tejada at the net. Oh, who was he selling to? That's a big question for Langtin. Pero
That's right.
tinawagan na overreach. Yeah, the ball actually was not in the middle of the net.
Ito, makikita natin. Lantin doing a good job there. Pero ito, look at Alyssa. Overreaching.
Inabot niya.
Inabot. Lampas pa lang.
Nakita.
And she thought she won that point. Even up to this time, until she saw the hand signal of Mr.
yung bola pag nandun ka sa kabila. Kung walang gumagalaw doon, pwede. May umahabol sa bola. Dalawa lang yan. Huwag kayong masyadong manggigil sa bola. Ha? Yan, lumiskating maigi. Nagkaisahan nyo rito maigi. Kunin mo yung cross court, ha? Bando, kunin mo yung offense, ha? Mabawa mo tumilagsak sa gitna, ha? Sige.
This is the biggest lead of UST. Ateneo led by as much as 5-0. Simula ng set na to. Humabol ng UST and ngayon UST with a bit of control in set number 1, 23-21. Tejada's been playing a spectacular job at the net and also pouring in points via her yung middle attacks.
Yes, she produced some of the points for Ateneo. Very, very close for a set, and this is so important.
Lantin, who's been setting pretty well here for Ortiz, for Caballejo, Banaticla. Error on the serve. Napangiti na lang si Coach Oji Mamon. So, 3-point para sa Uste. 22, serving 23. Set 1.
Very close for set.
Ortiz with a quick. Valdez. Tunay. Oh, the push anticipated by Valdez. 23 all.
Back set this time, but look at Valdez reach up. Nice read. Good block.
Ang ginagano na bola ay malapit pa net, ha? Alam mo ko, cross court mo na. Playan nyo naman. Ikaw ba sa kasi Judy? Isang ano lang. Ha? Iwan mo na lang. Gusto ko palo ka sa gitna, ha?
2 straight points for Ateneo. And we're tied at 23 all.
Good run here by Ateneo, and that timeout of Coach Roger giving Ateneo 2 points right away. We're tied at 23, and this is a very important set. You know, whoever gets this one will definitely have the momentum and the control of the match.
Tunay. This time, nakinig. Si Coach Mamon, paluin mo na lang. Itinitip yung malayo sa net, and she scores. Set point para sa UST, Doc.
Wow, after being down by 5 to start off the set, now they have set point. Excellent recovery here. Let's see if Judy can get us in, and she does. Oh, poor reception from Phil.
Here's Herbacio.
That could be costly. That could be costly.
Banaticla. It's still alive. Chance ball para sa UST. Let's see if they can close it here. Herbacio keeps it alive. Great defense by Ateneo. Valdez, the off speed.
It's going to be Maru.
Maru is blocked. There's going to be a free ball for Ateneo. Their chance to tie at 24. Valdez had to readjust. Great defense by Caballejo. Banaticla. Lazaro was there.
Nice
Spectacular
set.
rally. Oh, and wow, what an attack by Valdez. Just when Ateneo looked like they were all over the place, they regrouped and scored to tie at 24.
Excellent rally for both teams. And that's the play that Alyssa is known for. That outside hit against a single block. It's almost impossible to stop. Tied at 24.
Tunay. Oh, bumawi. Si Carmela Tunay from the corner.
Oh, this girl has a bright future in front of her. Very, very smart attack. And it's obvious that she listened to what Coach Mamon told her. Just hit it. Never drop it if you get a good set. Your priority is always to hit a full swing at the ball.
Second set point para sa UST. Valdez says not just yet.
Wow, it's becoming a showdown between Tunay and Valdez each and every time.
Pero that's maybe the last time you're gonna see Valdez in a while.
Yeah.
She's serving. Nasa likod siya ngayon.
Oh!
Costly error.
She still scores!
Para kay Tunay. Valdez, one way or another, finds a way to score. Puts Ateneo at set point for the first time. Kay Tunay pa talaga dinala.
Oh!
Wow! Such twisted
Coach
turns
Roger.
in this first set alone as Coach Dorayev obviously in disbelief
Oh, wow.
at the kind of luck his team is getting.
That could be the turning point right there. That serve of Alisa.
26 all. Tunay.
Oh! That's outside as well. Just returning the favor. Again, it's set point for the Lady Eagles.
Second set point para sa Ateneo. Herbacio, let's see if she does the jump serve. Yes, she goes to that. Always deadly. Almost a put away, but not yet. Banatikla. Blocked. Lantin goes to De Leon.
Now's their chance to spill.
Good defense by both teams.
Oh!
Lazaro was there for the save. Valdez.
Oh!
She connects Valdez. What a play. And what a series of exchanges for two highly skilled teams. This final game of the Olymps. What a save by Lazaro. That was the beginning. And this is the end.
No blockers for
Yeah, USD, they were there because they were expecting a quick point.
Yeah.
Dun sa tip ni Lantin.
what a first set that was.
What
Ateneo
a-
winning it.
Action-packed first set. Ateneo, an extended first set, 20